Hello there, people. It's Dan here from Flexxable. I just wanted to say hello and welcome you to today's post. And we're going to talk about solving problems for your clients. Okay, the more experienced, the older I get, and the better I get at business, the more I realize that it's all about solving problems for people. Okay, for your clients, because once you can do that, it helps build relationships. And you're being super helpful, and what usually happens is that it means the relationship with the clients lasts longer and longer and longer because you make yourself indispensable. They can't help but do business with you because you're so useful. You're solving all the problems that they haven't even thought of, okay? Because they're not as experienced as you. They're not digital marketers. They're not aware of all these tools that are at their fingertips, okay? You're able to add real value to these guys. So, watch the blog post today and have a think. I honestly tell you to have a think about how you can help your clients, because this is the kind of stuff that makes a real difference. And if you can do this consistently for your clients, you're going to help blow their business up, which means you're going to get paid more. Okay, it's a pretty simple formula. So if I look at all of the things that I've helped my clients with over the years, there's more than what's up here, but let's just run through a few of the things that I think is worth looking at if you have the ability or you know people that can do it on behalf of yourself for the client, if that makes sense. So, all the problems that clients have, right? You think you have problems in your agency. Your clients that have got multi-million dollar budgets have got bigger problems than you, I guarantee it. So the first thing, email follow-up, all right? This amazes me. A lot of the clients that I deal with that are buying hundreds, if not thousands of leads per week, don't have any email follow-up whatsoever, all right? They usually have a call center that's exceptionally good at calling at 8 times in the first 3 days to get in contact with these people. But after a 2-week period, there's nothing. It just falls off the cliff and there's absolutely nothing, okay? A few of you people might have heard of MailChimp or ActiveCampaign or Aweber or whatever that is, all right? These are like email segmentation tools that allow you to deliver value to your clients' and segment out emails based on actions they've taken, all right? So what you could do is you could implement something that happens 2 weeks after, when the client's contact strategy ends, and you could add some real value. There's going to be definitely people that come back into the client's funnel if you have some really good email marketing happening, okay? And yes, it takes time. Yes, you have to understand all of this stuff, but there's ActiveCampaign experts out there. There's copyright experts out there. You can put this little team together, get paid a fee and take a little money on top for something like that. But the main thing is that your leads are going to be better quality off the back of that, because the client's conversion rates are going to increase, all right? Text message marketing, all right? ActiveCampaign is like email segmentation, right? There's text message marketing tools out there that'll do exactly the same via text messages. Every single client that we deliver leads to at the moment, we always get their phone number, okay? And yes, some of our clients have text message marketing tools, but it's usually bang, 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 bang in the first 5 or 6 days. There's not any two-way text message conversations going, and they're not using technology properly. So you might be able to do something similar to the email follow-up via a text message marketing service out there, and there's plenty of them. Okay, Bonjoro. For those of you who've come into my funnel, you might have noticed that recently I'm sending a personal message to every single person that books a call with my team, okay? And that has drastically improved the quality of the leads that are coming through, show-up rates, and because I think because of this, our marketing efforts have gone through the roof. And Bonjoro is a cool little app that you can attach to your funnel. So once they become a lead, it zaps that person's details over to Bonjoro, goes into my phone, and I record a quick little hello message and send it, and it gets delivered via email to the prospect. And it could be something that your clients are interested in using. So why don't you suggest that to them and see if they'll enjoy that suggestion. I bet they will, okay? optimizing the sales process. It's missing an S there. But, you know, we spoke a little bit about email and text message follow-up, but what is their strategy session? What is their strategy like for converting their clients? Are they, you know, are they getting leads 24 hours a day from you, for example? Do they even think that the best time to, you know, get people is during the day, or is it in the evening? If they're getting the majority of their leads from 8 p.m. till midnight, and there's no one in the office and they have to wait to dial these leads the next day, then obviously the contact rate's going to be lower. But a lot of clients don't even think about this type of stuff, all right? They just want leads, but they don't really think about it. And you know, as a good marketer, that people are more likely to pick up the phone, you know, or close when they're getting contacted within a very short amount of time. So stuff like that is just common sense, right? But I bet that a lot of your clients haven't even thought about this type of stuff, and there's many examples that are similar to that. Okay, so Bonjoro, optimizing sales, the sales process and contact rates. Okay, when is the last time you spoke to your clients and you said, out of 100 leads, what is the contact rate? How many people are being contacted from those 100 leads? They might say 60, and then the next question is, okay, out of those 60, how many of them convert to becoming a client? All right, and they might say 3, and they're like, well, hang on, what's going on here? You're contacting 60 people, but only 3 of them are becoming a client of yours. So why is that? Why is it so low? What's going on here? Is it because the leads, you know, the contact rate's pretty good, but is it because the criteria is not right? Is it because a lot of people that are picking up the call are hanging up quickly, or is it because they're having a long conversation and they're finding out that, you know, part of the criteria of this person doesn't fit what they're trying to sell? You know, there's 100 different questions to ask here on why the quality or the contact rates of those leads. This one should be quality as well. Contact rates and quality, they usually go hand in hand. Little side note, if you can get high contact rates, usually that's the biggest quality marker. Okay, so these are all questions you should be asking to try and figure out what's going wrong or what's going right. If it's going right, do more of it. If it's going wrong, find a solution and help your client. Okay, they'll really appreciate it. You know, this is a little bit out there, but some of your clients might be experts in a certain field. All right, they might be the best, I don't know, solicitors in personal injury that's out there, and they specialize in a certain sub niche that it just makes them the best out there. Okay, you know, there's plenty of writer book services where you can literally, you know, get a book out there for $4,000 or $5,000. All right, and you know, this appeals to the client's ego. If they want to be the best and they want to have a reputation in the industry, then you can connect one of these writer book type services to a client. They can get the book done, and then you can use that as a retargeting lead magnet, or you could use it as a cold traffic lead magnet, and it's just going to help, you know, everything to do with your campaign. And yeah, it's a little bit out there, but it's something that I've done before and it's worked well. I mean, I've written a couple of books, and it's honestly, it doesn't take that much work if it's done in an efficient manner, and there's plenty of tools out there that can do that. It's a little bit out there, but it's worth a try. Okay, content, that's the next one. A lot of the clients that you deal with in the pay-per-lead industry are, you know, cold traffic, one and done type companies. They believe they get a lead in and that's it. If they don't close them in 2 weeks, then they're gone. It's not true. And I've learned this from doing my own stuff. Okay, there's a lot of people that come into our program on a long tail effect. They might not be ready to buy now, but because they see a lot of my content, our content, sorry, down the line, then what you'll see is they'll start buying 6 months, 9 months, a year from now. Okay, so what if you could find a little content team, or you could arrange, you know, some Filipinos or someone like that that can help create content or post on the fan page, or, you know, there's hundreds of different options there where you can help your client with their content strategy. And they'll probably will really appreciate that if you can put together a solution for their lack of content. All right, cross-selling. I mean, there's probably 3 or 4 dozen different types of ways you can help your clients, but cross-selling is another good one. Going back to the car finance example, they could be very good at working car finance leads, but it could be that there's a percentage of those leads that are not a good fit for whatever reason, okay? It could be because they've got bad credit, it could be because they're unemployed. What happens if you delivered all of the leads to them and then said, well, Mr. Client, 20% of these leads you're never going to close anyway. How about we find a home for them and we can share commission with you on the 20% of these leads, all right? You know, there's a lot of different options there. If they're in car finance, then these people are probably going to want to have a car, obviously, down the road. So there could be some solutions to, you know, fixing them up with a car dealer or something like that. I'm rambling, but you get my idea. There's always ways to add value that they might not have thought of with cross-selling, okay? So, you know, problems are the main thing. And if you solve problems, relationships are born, all right? And there's one thing I've learned, if you can solve problems, the relationships are set in stone for a very long time. So I hope you've enjoyed my post today. Apologies if I've rambled a little bit, but I get really excited when I think about ways to solve problems for my clients, and that's really the magic sauce if you ask me. Take care.